Hey everyone, I'm Kim with exciting and awesome video where I'll show you the 5 different ways which can make your daily coding free and unlimited. Model include GLM 5.2, DeepSeek V4 Flash, Claude Sonnet, Step 3.7, Nemotron 3 Ultra, Poolside Laguna, Minimax and Qwen. Do you want to test it out? All methods that can use inside Visual Studio Code without spending $0. Do you want to test it out? Then let's get started. Before exploring first method, I'll mention one thing. If you randomize between these 5 different ways, you have never hit your limit. All of these models are top model. You don't need to spend $0. You can easily use all of this method inside Visual Studio Code. Okay, first method is Amazon Q, which is provided by Amazon itself. This is the official extension provided by Amazon.com. You didn't require any credit card to use it. Just install this extension and log in. It will redirect you to browser. In Amazon, you need to create your account. You can easily create your account through your Google ID. Then it will redirect back here. After you have completed, Amazon will be reflected here. Then you can easily use it. And you can see this is the list of models that you can use. Claude Sonnet 4.5, Claude Sonnet 4, Claude HiQ, DeepSeek 3.2, Minimax 2.5, GLM, Qwen 3. I will suggest to use only 3 models, because here it will provide some previous version of Minimax, GLM and Qwen, where I will show you the way that you can use latest version in upcoming method. Okay, all of this method is working perfectly, and I'm using this all method from more than 2-3 months. If you want, all of this method is working as perfectly. If I will build a project from edge of this method, then this video is too long. At the end, I will build 2-3 projects using some of the random model. Okay, this is the one of the best way where it will provided by Amazon, which is one of the trusted way and which provide Claude Sonnet and HiQ model. Okay, this is one of the best way. After that, next will be the Code, another awesome extension. This is the official extension of Code. Code AI coding assistance, copilot and autocomplete. Only you need to install it. After that, it will be reflected here. Then you can see the list of model currently available for free. Step 3.7 Flash, Poolside Laguna Ash 2.1, North Mini, Nemotron 3 Ultra, Tencent HY3 and all the open router free model. Best part, if you don't want to switch between model, then you can easily choose this auto model where it will automatically choose the best working model. Okay, this is provided by Code, another trusted and popular platform where it will provide this model from very much long time. You can easily use this all method for long time, not 1 day, 2 day, 1 week, 5 week. Okay, after these 2 method, I'm going to explore another method which is open code. Okay, if you want to use open code, then you can easily use through the CLI inside the terminal. If you didn't want to use it in terminal, then its official extension will be also available here. Search it in extension section, then you can find this open code extension. After you have installed, it will be reflected here. Same interface. You can use any one of this way. Both are same. How you can use it? First, you need to install extension, or if you want to use it in terminal, install it through the command line. After you have installed, open it. Then go to the opencode.ai. Go to the Gen section. If you are using it for the first time, then get started with Gen. After that, you are landed it here. Then go to the API key section, create your new API key, or if you already have API key, copy it. Then get back to Visual Studio Code, type /connect, press enter, open code Gen will be reflected here. Select it, provide the API key, press enter, then you are ready to use. If you want to use free model, then this is the list of free model currently available. Among them, DeepSeek V4 Flash new is one of the trending model which is launched 2-3 days ago. If you think we are using DeepSeek V4 Flash from long time, no, actual DeepSeek V4 Flash is launched 3-4 days ago. The model that we have used previously, which is DeepSeek V4 Flash preview model. Okay, this is the 6 model currently available here in open code for free. Every model is working perfectly and this model is fast as well. This is the first time that I have used after changing API key. That's why it will take 15 seconds. Otherwise, this model is very quick. I have already shown you the 3 methods that you can use inside Visual Studio Code for your daily coding. After that, fourth method will be Cline, that I have already made video 2-3 days ago. Using Cline, you can currently access GLM 5.2, DeepSeek before Flash, Laguna S 2.1, Step 3.7 Flash for free. And among this all, Cline model is very much quick and powerful. I am actively using this platform. All of these methods that I have used daily, that's why I have shared with you. This is my history where I am actively using it. To use Cline, just install this Cline extension. You can easily find this. If you can search Cline here. Okay. After that, install it. After you have installed, sign up it. It will redirect you to the browser. Create your account. Then you are ready to use. After this 4 model, last will be the Blackbox, where this 4 method will be sufficient for you. That's why I have not even installed this method. But if this is not sufficient for you, you can easily use this method as well. Only task, just install it. If you are using it for the first time, create your account, then select this 2 model. In Blackbox, currently 2 model will be available, which is Minimax M2.7 and Kimike 2.6. This 2 model will be currently free. You can easily use this platform for your daily life coding. Okay. When I ask is it free, it will ask me, I need to clarify on what it refers to in your question. It will read my HTML file, which will be included inside my test folder. Means this method is also working. This is the 5 way that you can easily use in your daily life for the coding purpose. Okay. That's it for today's video. This is the 5 method that you can use in your daily life for the coding purpose. Every method is useful and every method provide intelligence model. If you can randomize between these 5 methods, then you will never hit your limit. Best part, you can use this 5 method inside Visual Studio Code for free. Okay, that's it for today's video. If you find this content helpful, you may consider subscribe as well. Happy coding. Bye bye. We'll meet you on the next video.